Hi, Jen.
Hi again.
Right, so as you can see, there are two different eras of Mustang here, a Mustang Mach-1 and an S550 5.0 GT. How do you keep two cars of very different vintages properly detailed with the same products from Sonax? Yeah.
Well, Oric, actually really depends on how meticulous the owner is in caring for their car. You know, vintage cars, they last for very long, it's a collector's item. And there are some owners that are just extra careful and extra, you know, they pamper their baby a lot more. So it's easy to maintain if you actually take care of it over the years.
Of course. As with anything, whether it's health, whether it's cars, maintenance is better than cure.
Yes,
No?
you got it.
Yeah. So, what kind of products do we have lined up here today?
Okay, so for Sonax, what we're highlighting here are two of our categories. You'll see we have professional detailing. Here's the professional line. So this is carried by most of our professional detailing partners. But what we're really putting highlights on is the DIY consumer line that we have. So you will see from the backdrop that this is actually our new ceramic series. So the extreme ceramic is our new generation of DIY consumer cleaners where you get the benefit of a ceramic technology in a bottle. So I mean, let's be real. Ceramic coating, going for professional detailing, sometimes it's a little heavy on the pocket for some people.
Yeah. You know, honestly, as an enthusiast, I appreciate yung mga ganong products na spray and go.
Yeah,
You know,
spray and go. Very convenient.
Yeah, yung biglang may tambay or biglang may hangout or whatever, may meet. Like, oh, I gotta wash my car. Pero mahaba pila sa car wash or whatever. Just do it yourself, di ba? With the right products, goods yan. And of course, as with anything, all these Sonax products are available in PartsPro. So once again, thank you, Miss Jen. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much, Oren.
All right.